Hey, what's up guys? We just got in some new wheels. Just ordered these Kenzie wheels. I think that's how you pronounce it. I actually have a buddy who works over there, so I got a discount on these. So we're actually gonna unbox these and take a look. They are 18" by 9.5 plus 22 offset. And I also ordered the cheapest tires I could find that are 255/40 R18s, just to make sure that they would fit. I got the cheapest wheels just in case. I also ordered a fender roller to roll the wheels, so we're gonna get these all set up. So anyhow, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright guys, there it is. That's gonna be the new wheels. I'm a little concerned. That we might have too much poke here. I don't know. It's gonna be close. 9.5 plus 22 offset. I mean, I'm gonna roll the fenders. We'll see. I'm gonna put it on the back. It's probably gonna be a lot more square and flush on the back, and we might just be poking a little bit in the front. We'll see. That's okay, because I don't really care to go super slammed. New Kenzie wheels, loving it. Gonna look good. I got the tires coming in 2 days. It looks like it's gonna be super flush in the back. I don't have the lug nuts yet. They're still being shipped. Looks like it's gonna be real flush, but we'll get this dialed in. I think they're gonna look great. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. All right, you guys, here's the lug nuts. They came in. Let's check these out. Look at that. I got Kenzie Super Wheel lugs. I got black because I kind of want to go white and polished steel and black. And I'm going to get some like maybe black accented like headlights and a black spoiler. All right, man. These are going to look good, guys. All right, guys. Look at that. The tires are here. FedEx just dropped them off. Woo, woo. Check it out. 255/40 R18. These are the cheapest tires I could find in the size, just in case they didn't fit. Fitment Industries was recommending 245/40 R18s, but there were some guys running these. We're gonna check them out. I gotta go get them mounted, but it's freezing today, so we're not gonna do it today. We'll probably do it in a couple days. But let's get them loaded up into the garage. Looks good. Super cold today, but we found a little tire shop to mount and balance the tires for us. Dang, do they look good. Let's go get them on the car.
A few moments later.
I'm here in the garage with my Lexus SC300. So tonight I'm just gonna pull them out in the garage, put them here on the driver's side and see the fitment on them. I know I'm gonna need to roll the fenders, so let's just see how much I'm gonna need to roll. I did get a roller to roll the fenders and I need to unbox that, check that out. And we're just gonna see how they look here in the garage, and then on a nice sunny day we will roll fenders and we will put them on the car and see how they look. For now, let's get into it. Let's take a look. All right, guys, here's the new wheel. We got the Kenzie's 5-star wheels here. These are 18" by 9.5 plus 22. They're wrapped in the cheapest tires I could find, because these are 255/40 R18s. I might have to go to a 245/40 18, but let's see if these will fit. Like I said, I know I'm gonna have to pull out the liner. I know I'm gonna have to roll the fenders. I might have to pull them a little bit, but let's see how they look. So we'll get started. We'll jack up the car, we'll take off the wheel, and we'll get it put on there and see how it looks. All right, we got the wheel turned just a little bit, so let's get in the car, straighten out the wheel, and then see how she fits in there. It is definitely poking just a little bit, so I don't know if that's really gonna work, but I like it. I like it. I think it looks sick. A little bit of pokage there. Definitely gonna need to roll the fenders. I don't think I'm gonna be able to slam it, but I'm really looking for like a track focused car here, so that's why I wanted to go beefier wheels instead of this like stance look with thin rubbers on it. Like I wanted to go more thick. I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comments below what you guys think.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I just put the back on and it is flush. Yeah, I mean it's like the rim is perfectly flush in the back. So if the front doesn't work, I'll just have to sell the fronts and get a staggered stance and go 8.5 in the front and keep the 9.5s in the back. But we're gonna check it out. We'll see how it runs in a few days. Hey guys, it's cold, it's late, but I couldn't wait anymore. Putting the wheels on the SC, looking pretty clean. Adjust ride height now again and everything. They're looking pretty good. We're gonna roll the fenders later, maybe stretch them a little bit, but wow.